In this LazyLeadz review, I'm going to be showing you guys how you could be making a lot of leads for your business with this particular software. So make sure you guys stay to the end of this review as I'm going to show you if LazyLeadz is worth your time. I'm going to be showing you a complete tutorial on LazyLeadz. So this is the dashboard. I'm going to show you all of this later in the video, but now let's have a look at what AppSumo has got to say. So it's best for marketers, sales managers, and small businesses. And also you could be doing some integration with HubSpot, MailChimp, webhooks, custom API, and Active Directory. And also it's an alternative to 100.io, which is great. And also it helps you to find leads feel easy as running a simple Google search. It's kind of true. I'll show you how it works, and you can search by an industry keyword. I'll show you all of that. And also you can search through database in real time. You can leverage the power of AI to instantly score the web for contact updates. So you basically get emails and phone numbers of the leads that you want or the specific industry that you're in. You will get basically the email and phone number. You could do email marketing with that or some phone calls in order to book an appointment or make sales. And you can connect LazyLeadz to your favorite tools like Task Magic. You can export your leads to CSV file. I'm going to show you that. And also you can access LazyLeadz from any device, even in mobile phone or tablet, so it doesn't really matter. And also talking about the license tier, they have got up to 6 license tiers. So I'm not going to recommend you any of them because it really depends on what you want. And at any time during this video, if you really want to go check this out, make sure you guys click the first link in the description. And in that way, it really helps my channel to grow as well. So make sure you guys, check the first link in the description. So the first license tier, it gives you 1,500 export leads per month. So that's really low if you are kind of like a big business. And this one has got 5,000 leads. That's pretty good. And this one has got 20,000, 50,000, and the license tier 5 has got unlimited. So basically the license tier 5 and license tier 6, you could probably abuse this particular software with a lot of leads. You could get a lot of leads easily. Like maybe you could get like 200,000 leads with this particular software. But the problem is that not all the leads are going to be your specific client. I'm going to explain why is that. And also the export leads per day is kind of low in the license tier 1, 2, 3. It's 600,666 per day. But for the license tier 5, it's unlimited and unlimited. But the problem with the license tier 5 and license tier 6 is that it's quite expensive. I don't think any would really go into this because of how expensive is it. So that's a problem. But if you look at the access, it's lifetime access for all. So you don't have to worry about that. And the searches per day you get is 120, 300, 300, and 300. And in the license tier 1 and 2, it's 10 and 30. So 10 is kind of really low, right? So, and there are some other features as well. So you can go based on what your preferences are or what your business is really about. You can go like that. Now let's go to the dashboard of LazyLeadz, and I'm going to show you how this works. So suppose I am a gym supplier, so gym equipment supplier, and if I want to sell my equipments to gym owners, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in gym and the location, let's say it's Los Angeles. So let's have a look at this. So basically whatever location you want, you can type in. Maybe it's some Asian countries or maybe the United Kingdom or any countries basically where you want to sell your gym equipment. So this is only an example, okay guys? You can basically search there. So now let me search. So as you can see, LazyLeadz have generated me a lot of leads. So this is the first page and it just goes on and on and on. See, even 23 pages. So they have generated me quite a lot of leads. But one problem with this specific LazyLeadz is that as you can see, all of this are gym, but this one is personal trainer. So my industry, I kept it as gym, but still personal trainer popped in, and a boxing gym popped in, a non-profit organization popped in, again a personal trainer. So you really will have to like select all of the manually you have to select all of the gym. So that is one thing you have to keep in mind. Even a boxing gym needs equipments, but you have to, maybe a non-profit organization doesn't need it. So it really depends, and you might have to select it manually. And also how you are going to export your leads, that I'm going to show you. So you have to click here, and they have generated me quite a lot of results, so I'm not going to go with that. I'm going to just select the page alone, so the first page. So you have to click on export, and after you click on export, you have to press this download CSV, and the leads have successfully been exported. So this is how you do it, and it's over here. Let me just show you how you can open it. So what you have to do is you have to go to basically this spreadsheet. If you don't know how to take this, just type in sheet.new. I'm pretty sure you guys already know this. So if you press that, you will be into this particular spreadsheet. So what you have to do is just go to file and import the CSV file that you just uploaded. Let me just see. I have to go to upload and probably manually do it. So let's go to downloads. So as you can see, this is the CSV file that we downloaded just now. So I'm going to export this into the spreadsheet. So I'm going to import all the data. Let's just do it. So as you can see, the phone numbers are now shown, and you can easily contact them via phone number, and also their email has been also shown. I'm not sure. I really don't know how to use the spreadsheet. I think you have to like expand it, something like that. I'm not really sure how to use it, but the emails have also been shown. It's not seen here. And also all the phone numbers are there. So this is basically how you export your data. But in LazyLeadz, you won't be able to see all this email and phone number. You have to first export it with a button over here, and you have to download the CSV file, and then you have to download the spreadsheet, and you have to basically import it. And this is how you get all the emails and phone number. So that's how you get all the data. So for businesses, this can be profitable, and you can actually turn this really profitably. This is one of the reasons that they have a lot of good reviews, and some people find a little bit problem here and there, but overall this product has quite a lot of reviews, and I feel like the reviews over here is keep on increasing day by day, and I feel like this is a fantastic product. And for the licensed tier, it really depends on what you want. So there's a total of 6 licensed tier, and based on the features what you want, if you really like the product, you can go with any license tier of your choice. So that's basically it for this video, and if you really want LazyLeadz, make sure you click the first link in the description. And if you're a new user of AppSumo, you're going to be getting a 10% discount. So, and it also helps me to grow my channel as well, so make sure you guys click the first link. So that's basically it, and I hope to see you on another review video. Take care.